G'day, how you doing? Adam Williams here from Easy Way Photography. Here we are at Winjana Gorge. Absolutely spectacular, as you can see. Beautiful reflections there. Some nice light. The sun's about to set in about an hour or so. Now, normally this is all about just the location, spectacular Australia. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to wrap this in and step you through over the next 10 or 12 weeks. I'm going to step through the basics of capturing landscape images. So to begin with, to capture landscape images, obviously we need a camera. Doesn't really matter what style or what kind of camera you have. Whichever camera you can get your hands on would be the best camera you can get. Obviously the higher the quality, the better, but don't worry too much about that for the time being. Just grab a camera and get out there. Secondly, very important within landscape photography, to have a tripod, a nice sturdy tripod. Now I'm using a Sarui model here, which is an excellent tripod. I can highly recommend those. This is a very heavy, sturdy one, but they also come in a much lighter travel style as well. As I said, over the next 10 or 12 weeks, I'll step you through exactly what you need to know about capturing incredible landscape images. So we're going to start from the very start. What we need to do is, number one, try and track down your camera manual. Have a good flick through that and try and get to know. You don't have to understand everything in that manual. Just have a bit of a brief read through, get to know a little bit about your camera that way, and then we'll move on. Now, for next video, for next week, what I need you to do is get your camera, find the quality settings, and set your camera to the highest quality it can possibly capture. Now, ideally, if you have a camera that can capture RAW files, okay, or sometimes also called DNG files. So if your camera has a quality setting to capture RAW or DNG, set it up to capture that. If it has a setting which is RAW and JPEG, then potentially for the time being that would be the best setting to set it on. Now, if your camera isn't capable of capturing RAW files, just set it up for the highest quality JPEG it can capture at the moment. I hope you really enjoyed shooting with me at Winjana Gorge in the Kimberley of Western Australia. Thanks again for watching along. I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye for now.